Being completely off-grid and with a guesstimate cost of at least $75,000 to bring us power, solar was the plan from the beginning. The existing well pump needed 240 volts AC, and we were using a generator to fill the holding tank, which took 5 to 6 hours to pump 3,000 gallons. Well, the generator did the job just fine. It was noisy and always a little bit of trouble. So I began researching the well report data and sizing the pumps and solar panels needed to get the water up the 280 feet without a generator. I found relatively inexpensive kits available that included pump panels and everything you need. But the guys who install these systems said they only install Grundfos pumps because the cheaper ones fail too often. So I looked for a Grundfos pump that would work best for my application. I spent about $2,500 online for the 11 SQF2. This pump is amazing. It will run on just about any power you give it, 30 to 300 volts DC or 90 to 240 volts AC. I set out solar panels for a test run. One panel gave me 44 volts, which was very close to its rating. I knew I would need more than one 350 watt panel, so I hooked up a second one in series to give me 80 to 90 volts DC at about 700 watts. Here I have 87.2 volts. When I plugged in the pump, it pulled the water up instantly. If I shaded any part of the panels, the pump slowed down, but they are not anywhere near the optimum angle. I think 2 panels are just right, and I'll find a spot where they will get full sun. I knew I wanted something a little more substantial and permanent than a wooden mount, and I liked the steel post mounts. So I found this part that utilized a 4.5-inch diameter post, and I began fabricating a frame to mount the 2 panels myself. In upcoming episodes, I will be creating the mount for the panels and permanently wiring them to the well.